Lesson number 4, success habits of top closers. So when I was in my 1 year in sales, I did earn 150,000 US dollars. Highest paychecks in that company was my month to month was like $17,000 a month and $15,000 a month. And some of the best habits that I took in that role and in my other roles where I was doing high ticket were very simple. The first one, I would say you got to have a good morning routine. Okay, that morning routine and how you do things before you go to work is going to set you up for success for the rest of the day. Think about what your morning routine is. Okay, is your morning routine exercising, going for a walk, reading a book, journaling, listening to music, and hopefully brushing your teeth? But all in all, what is your morning routine? For myself, the morning routine that I have is I'll exercise, I will journal, and then I will write down my goals and read my goals for like my continuous goals. And then I will also listen to talk tracks. Talk tracks. What are talk tracks? Talk tracks are sales tracks that you've heard for objection handle. It could be anything in sales, whether it's a discovery call. We'll go over discovery calls in the next modules. Whether it's that, whether it's objection handling, or whether it's an audio book that talks something about some kind of professional development. So that's what I do in my morning routine. Comment below and tell us yours. The other thing I think would be a success habit is also tracking your numbers. So think about this when you're tracking your numbers: is how many dials did you make, how many people answered the phone, how many actual conversations did you have, how many appointments did you set, or if you're in a closer role, how many deals did you close? So once you have those numbers, you're actually able to go ahead and track it. So once you're able to, if you can track your numbers, you can improve your numbers, and that's where coaching and us talking comes in. We're here to help. That's where the community comes in. Some of the best habits that you have that have gotten you to where you're at now. Comment below.